Good morning. It's rise and shine time here at Ecotopia Ranch. This is the Saturday before our launch event, and the tractor crew is here to help level out some pads where we are going to be placing some structures and camping sites and campfire sites. We have a lot of hills here. We've strategically checked out all the areas and the plants and native species, and we're making sure that we're honoring and respecting as much as possible the inhabitants of the area, and we are ready to go. Here with Robert and Danny.
Hello.
They're going to be the operators, owner-operator right there, and here in Valley Center with the tractor and the bobcat. So down this road here, past the shipping container, is another road that we're widening to 12 feet for camping sites and domes and isohesion. Also, the soil excavated here will go to flatten out other areas and be utilized as material, building material. It's been about an hour. We stockpiled quite a bit of dirt. We're expanding out to 12 feet from about 8 feet, so it's additional 4 feet expansion. Here is the before of the fire pit area. You can't tell so much in this video, but it's actually a pretty big slope. We're moving the soil pile, potting soil into the swale. Right behind the food forest is a swale. Oh, super fast. Getting prepared to finish the building pad for tiny house, tea house, parking for the event, all kinds of goodness. Once you have a flat area, can happen. Soil is really, really nice. It's just beautiful soil. It's also really good earth bag material, I would say. Sticks together pretty good. The soil pile has been moved. It's now in the swale. Quite a lot of soil there. And now he's coming back up with dirt and adding dirt to level this out. Right now we're expanding the road a little bit here to create a pad for the outdoor kitchen. The day after the tractor work is completed in our work party, and going to show the accomplishments. Here we have the pad that will be the temporary community kitchen and future home site of one of the local earth villagers. It's in between the orange trees. There's a gray water system in there. They also repaired the road that goes over the bridge by the pond. And the frogs back. A swampy pond right now with clay on the bottom. And here is the building pad and our temporary parking much more expansive. And our new fire circle, future possible dome site, 20-foot circular path. And the bees are loving the acacias right now. And this is really, really exciting. This was a road about 8 feet wide. It is now 12 feet wide, which is the perfect size for domes, isohedrons, lotus bells, wall tents, teepees, all kinds of possibilities for living spaces, glamping, camping, tents. This road continues for about another 50 feet beyond this point. So we need to evaluate the native species and conditions of species. But the views from this are amazing. There's Palomar Mountain. It's so quiet, and we can literally go into the earth to build these homes.